Imagine waking up 1 year from today with your bank account reading 7 figures. Now imagine the alternative. Still struggling to pay rent, stuck in the same cycle of stress and scarcity. Which path will you choose? Today I'm breaking down exactly how I went from broke to a millionaire in just 12 months. It's not magic, it's not luck, it's a system. And if I can do it, so can you. But don't skip ahead. You'll miss the critical mistakes I avoided that could have ruined everything. A year ago, I was in a place many of you might recognize. Bills piling up, a paycheck that disappeared the moment it hit my account, and sleepless nights wondering, how did it come to this? I had $287 to my name, a mountain of debt, and a sinking feeling that I was running out of time. I thought I was doing everything right. College degree? Check. Stable job? Check. But let's be real. None of that matters when you don't know how to make your money work for you. And honestly, my savings account was more of a saving suggestion. But here's the thing, hitting rock bottom was the best thing that ever happened to me. Why? Because it forced me to take action. And that's where I discovered the 3 keys that would completely change my financial life forever. Key 1, shift your mindset about money. Most people stay broke because they think like broke people. Here's the harsh truth, you can't budget your way to wealth. The real game is about creating income streams. I started by devouring every personal finance book I could find, but one sentence stuck with me. The rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. And that brings us to the second key, which I guarantee 90% of people completely overlook. Key 2, build scalable income streams. Here's what I realized. Working a 9-to-5 is like running on a treadmill. You're moving, but you're not getting anywhere. I decided to build 2 scalable income streams, a freelance service and an online course. The first gave me quick cash flow, the second gave me passive income. Quick question, if you had to make $1,000 in 48 hours, what would you do? Seriously, think about it. The answer tells you where your opportunities are. Within 3 months, I replaced my job income. By month 6, I was earning 5 times more. But none of that would have mattered without the third key, the one that multiplied my wealth faster than anything else. Key 3, leverage investments and systems. Here's the scary part. I had to risk everything. I took 50% of every dollar I earned and invested it. Real estate, stocks, even reinvesting in my business. It was terrifying, but necessary. The system was simple. Earn, save, invest, repeat. By the end of 12 months, I hit a milestone I once thought was impossible. 1,015,672 net worth. It wasn't about luck. It was about mindset, strategy, and execution. And yes, I did double check to make sure I wasn't counting monopoly money. But here's the kicker. This wasn't just about money. It was about freedom. The ability to choose how I spend my time, who I spend it with, and what I work on. Now let me ask you, do you believe you can do this too? Because the only thing standing between you and the life you want is action. You've got the steps, you've got the motivation. Now it's time to take control. But before you go, there's one more thing you need to know. Too many people sabotage their success by believing lies about money. If you want to avoid falling into those traps, click on this video right here. 5 money myths that are keeping you poor in 2025. I'll see you over there.